just now we talked about the process, how this keynote produced, how the process, the wire come in and the wire will be cut, wire put the same places and the wire put these places, and the knot wire come and this wire twister and the second time twister and then open and then wire back and then main motor back, like this process. Just now we talk about the process. So if one process not finished, you don't go on the next step. For example, if this wire cannot come into these places, this wire can not come into these places. If this places is sealed, so this wire cannot come. So you must make these places, you can check these places must be open. So this is called the initial position. So every process has its initial position. The fittings must in its initial position, then we can go on the next step. For example, now this place is open, it's already in its initial position, and the next step the wire come in, so the wire can come. So it's like this way. This is called the initial position. And now we can check here. There's many processes. Just now we talk the process. You can check the main motor initial position. The stay wire means the cross wire initial position. The fence pull initial position. The knock the second time position. It's like this way, all these positions. So every process has its position, okay?
Second.
Okay. Now this is the main motor position. See, the wire can come in. And now let's check the keynote position. Second time keynote position. This is also very important, like the main position. You can check. The machine will be working. Yeah. 这儿。
哎，好，转了。
Okay, see these places.
二次成型转哎。
See, it's turning. Okay. So only in these places, this wire can be fixed and twisted. So you must note this place and the main motor initial position and this keynote second time position is very important. If it is not in this place, so this process cannot be successfully produced. The cross wire in the motor we say is a stay wire. Cross wire equal to stay wire. The cross wire initial position is here. It must be put in these places. You can check like these places. It's like this way. Only in this way the wire can come and put in the right places. This is the cross wire position, initial position, or stay wire initial position. Okay, now let's check the fixed keynote wire position. This is there. You can check from this panel. This is one panel, huh? From this panel flight, horizontal flight, to this one, to this right bottom, to this bottom. This is one panel flight. So from the distance between this panel to this panel, the distance is around 1 centimeter. So this is the position of the initial position, which means you must make the machine around these places and then you set the initial place if machine has problems. Remember, it's around 1 centimeter from here to here, 1 centimeter around. This is a machine. The carting initial place is there. You can check these parts. It's like this is the carting wire position. And in this situation, you can check here. Note, this screws is here. You can check carefully. You cannot see this screws is black. Here is the black screws here. Okay, you can note here. This place is in the cutting position, cutting initial position. And then, do you remember the process? The last two or last three, we process is up the mesh. So this up mesh position is like here, in the middle. In the middle, remember these places. So this is the up mesh position.